Allah ready.
Carbon are racing today. Values now.
What's the solution?
LG can help.
LG can help.
We are
The Eduvictory teams. Green minds,
Clean Earth.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Eduvictory team. My name is Nanda Binasari, leader of the team. With my friend,
I am Saskia Devi.
I am Chesri Amanda.
I'm Andin Artari.
today we have a presentation and practice of microteaching with our topic is carbon emission and the role of LG as a natural solution. The next. Why is this topic important? The first, carbon emission continue to increase, and then two, impact and climate change and ecosystem. And then three, Indonesia has strong marine potential. And then four, LG, natural carbon absorber. And then next, learning model. We choose the problem-based learning. And then next, my friend is explain. Thank you. To support this learning model, we use main SGL, student central learning, visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Visual learning is realized through videos and animation of the processing algorithm. Auditory learning is facilitated through diffusion and case studies. Then kinesthetic learning is facilitated through interactive and activities such as mapping of the test and solution and the carbon emission. We also integrate game-based learning technology using virtual, channeling, and classes. Virtual used for ice breaking and concept environment. Channeling used for true or false challenge. Then cathode used for final evolution. Thank you.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you today?
We are fine.
Oh,
Thank
no,
you.
I think they cannot hear you. Okay, let's try again. How are you today?
We are fine. Thank you.
Okay.
And you?
Okay, I'm fine too. Thank you for asking me. Okay, before that, I want to cross attendance for you all. Okay, the first is Andin. Wait a minute. If I call your name, please say present. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Andin,
Present, Miss.
Siska.
Present Miss.
Okay, good. I think no one sick today, right?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So before we start our lesson today, let's boost our energy first. Okay? We have to be energetic. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
So that's why we will singing together. But before that, I will give you an example, and after that, you will follow me. Okay. 3, 2, 1. If you want to study with us, clap your hands. If you want to study with us, clap your hands. If you're ready and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you want to study with us, clap your hands. Okay, let's sing it together. 3, 2, 1.
If you want to study with us, clap your hands. If you want to study with us, clap your hands. If you're ready and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you want to study with us, clap your hands.
Okay, good. I love your spirit, guys. Okay, everyone, please have a seat. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now, before we come to the material, I want all of you watch next video and please observe carefully. Please be focused. Don't look anywhere, don't look there, but do look at the projector. I want you to focus here, okay?
Okay.
Because later I will give you some question and everyone have to answer it, okay? Okay, please the video.
Forest fires have occurred again, causing serious impact on the environment of human life. The flames rapidly devoured thousands of hectares of land, producing thick smoke that went past residential areas. Similar incidents have previously occurred in several regions of Indonesia. Besides dry weather conditions, land clearing and melting are the main causes of the fire spreading widely. As a result, millions of tons of carbon emission are released into the atmosphere. Forests, which should function as carbon absorbers, have instead become sources of pollution. This situation accelerates global climate change, marked by rising earth temperatures and increasing forest fires have occurred again, causing serious impact on the environment of human life.
Okay, good. I think all of you have seen the videos, right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, like I told just now, I want to ask you some question. Okay, the first is, what did you learn from the video? Okay, next question. What is the problem from the video? What do you see from the video? What the points you take from the video? I think just you have looked all the videos.
Yes.
Okay, what the key? What the happened in the video? Anyone? Raise your hand. Okay, you.
This forest fires, ma'am.
Hey, good observation. Any else?
Me? Maybe smoke haze.
Yeah, good. Thick smoke. Okay, now I want you to think critically. Just now you talked about smoke. What does that smoke contain? Is it polluted air or clean air?
Polluted air.
Yes, good. You are smart. Okay, guys. Okay. And then after that, I think I have to give quiz to you. Do you like quiz? No.
Not really.
Yeah, who will dislike it? I think quiz that is amazing, I think. Okay. Okay, next we will play game.
Yay.
Okay, give a first. Actually, many of my students, when I talk to them, do you want a quiz? No, mister, it's so hard, mister. I dislike quiz. But when I say, do you want to play game? Yes, mister. Yes, miss. I like game like that. So, do you want to play game or quiz?
Game.
Okay, good. Now, we will play game. But before that, I will read game rules first. The first is, one student will choose one box by saying the number. And the second, the teacher clicks the box and the question will appear. And the last, student will have a few seconds to think before answering. Do you understand?
Yes, we do.
Do you understand?
Yes, we do.
Okay, right. Next, let's play games. Okay, here is word game. Wait a minute. Okay, who wants to be brave? Choose a number. Raise your hand.
Miss.
Oh, repeat. Who first, okay? Who wants to be brave? Choose a number.
Miss.
Okay, and then you.
I will choose number 3.
Okay, I will pick number 3. What the question is from number 3? Okay, the question is, what is the main cause of the forest fire mentioned in the video?
Illegal logging.
Yeah, good observation. Give applause to Andin. Okay, next. Okay, so like I told just now, the videos is talk about LG, talk about forest fire. So our topic today is carbon emission and the role of LG as a natural solution. Okay, but before we come to the lesson, before we explanation anything, I want to give you learning objective. Okay, please next slide. This learning objective for us. The first is student explain environmental conditions that contribute to high carbon emission and the potential of LG to reduce the emission. And the second, students show honest appreciation for the role of LG as a natural solution to carbon emission and take responsibility for its sustainable use. And the third is students apply the role of LG in reducing carbon emission through interactive educational game involving movement or like physical activity. And the last is student analyze that the natural abilities of algae in reducing carbon emission. Okay, so today we don't just talk about environment, algae environment, but we talk about how we can be solution in this earth. If you want to study this later, I will give to Miss Andin. For Miss Andin, please take your seat.
Okay, alright everyone, like what Miss Manda told before, this is the learning objective, and now I would like to divide you into two groups. Each group consists 2 until 3 students. Please sit in the group. You already sit in the group?
Yeah.
Okay, next, students, you all will watch a video about solution to the existing problem, which is the existing problem is what? Just now, forest fires, right? Carbon emission, right?
Right.
Yes. And then I will test you after you watch the video. I will test you by play a challenge called True or False Challenge. Do you ever know true or false?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. And then to strengthen, one more time, to strengthen your understanding, I will test you by listening an audio and we have a little bit mix and match. Okay, let's watch this video. Please pay attention, okay? Carefully. Play the video, please.
Earth as the planet where we live can be inhabited, one of which is because of the atmosphere that protects it, where in this atmosphere there is oxygen gas that we need to live. Many of us think that the biggest oxygen producer or even the only oxygen producer on Earth is trees. In fact, trees only produce 70% of the total oxygen on Earth. The rest is produced by small living things that live in water called phytoplankton, which are included in algae. This animal is so small that it cannot be seen directly with the naked eye except using a microscope. However, in a number of many types of algae, this can be appear as a greenish color in water. The green color appears because this type of algae has chlorophyll, which is used for photosynthesis. On the coast of Bangladesh, algae production is quite abundant because of the nutrition-rich water conditions and getting sunlight throughout the year. The presence of algae in the coastal area also supports the balance of the marine ecosystem while contributing to producing oxygen for the surrounding environment. This photosynthesis process allows it to produce oxygen to be released further into water or air and used by other living things for the respiration or breathing process. In the process of photosynthesis, this type of algae needs to enough nutrition. In addition, carbon dioxide gas also needs to be further broken down into oxygen, and of course this type of algae also needs sunlight as an energy source for photosynthesis. Although it looks very small and the level of oxygen productivity per individual is very low when compared to the trees that usually need everything. But because of its abundance in the waters, it is not surprising that this small invisible creature can be crowned as the largest oxygen producer in the world.
Alright everyone, we already watched the video and I want to ask you a question, a very simple question. First, Manda. Manda, what words must appear in the video based on your opinion?
Algae, Miss.
Algae, good. What was Saskia?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Algae and
Oxygen.
I think and we think if the algae and the oxygen mentioned in the video, it means that it has a relation, a strong relation. Yeah, it is correct that algae and oxygen is related because algae is the biggest producer of oxygen in this whole world, okay? And we, as Indonesian, especially ethnics, must be very grateful because Indonesia, known as a maritime country, maritime means there are a lot of beaches, right?
Right.
Okay, just want to make sure that you understand. Let's play true or false challenge. Okay, before that, I would like to share the Alright, I will help you to read. Earth can support life because the atmosphere protects it and provides oxygen. True or false?
True, Miss.
Let us see. True. Correct. The next one. Phytoplankton are large sea plants that can be clearly seen without a microscope. True or false?
False.
False. Let's see. Correct. Next. In coastal areas like Banda Aceh, algae grow well because the water has enough nutrition and sunlight. True or false?
True.
True. Let's see. True. Correct. You are so smart, guys.
Of
And
course,
then,
Miss.
even though each algae makes only a small amount of oxygen, their large numbers make them the biggest oxygen producer on Earth. Like what I told you before. Race, true or false?
True.
True. And see? Yes, correct. And the last one. In the process of photosynthesis, algae makes enough nutrition. True or false?
True.
True. Very good. Let's see.
Yes.
Congratulations, you all correct. Alright, because I already told you that we have two tests to strengthen your understanding, the next one is hearing audio clip. There are 3 audio clips that will be played in front of us, and I will give you a paper that contains picture based on the audio, okay? Please match the paper with the audio
Okay, Miss.
based on the description. Okay, let's play the first audio.
Taking care of the sea means taking care of our own breath, reducing the use of plastic, supporting environmentally friendly policies, and reducing carbon emissions are real steps that we can do.
Okay, please raise. Yes, good. It matched the audio. Next.
If algae population decreases, oxygen production also decreases.
Oh, yes, very good. LG decrease, oxygen decrease.
Yay. The last one.
Plastic pollution, oil spills, industrial waste, and global warming are slowly destroying marine ecosystems.
Very easy, right? Yeah, that's good. That's correct. Thank you. Alright, everyone. We already watched about the video contains problem, which is carbon emission, and solution, which is algae. Next, I would like to dive deeper into what has an impact of the carbon emission. Let's watch it out.
We already watched the previous video which explained what algae is the largest oxygen producer on Earth that lies in the sea. However, what happens if humans don't take care of the sea? Plastic pollution, oil spills, industrial waste, and global warming are slowly destroying marine ecosystems. When the sea temperature increases and water becomes more acidic due to excess carbon dioxide, phytoplankton has difficulty surviving. If their population decreases, oxygen production also decreases. The marine's ability to absorb carbon is also weakened. Imagine a world with less oxygen. Imagine an Earth with more carbon in the atmosphere. The temperature will get hotter. Extreme weather will happen more often. The ecosystem will be disrupted. Human life is also threatened. Marine damage is not only a problem for fish, coral reefs, or other marine animals. This is a problem for all of us because when the sea is sick, the earth is also sick. And when the earth is sick, it is humans who feel the impact. Taking care of the sea means taking care of our own breath, reducing the use of plastic, supporting environmentally friendly policies, and reducing carbon emission are real steps that we can do. The sea is not just a beautiful expanse of blue water to look at. The sea is the source of life, and our future depends on how we take care of it today. Because without a healthy sea, there is no healthy earth, and without a healthy earth, there is no us.
Alright everyone, we already watched the very last video. The very important thing that I want to highlight is the last statement of the video. What it says, if there is no healthy sea, there is no healthy earth. If there is no healthy earth, there is no
Us.
Yeah, there is no what? There is no us. Very good. So that's why we need to keep our sea, and then we can take the healthy earth. All right. So I don't want to make you feel bored. Let's play another game, another quiz. So I provide three categories, which is what you see here on the whiteboard. The first one is causes, and then impact, and the last is solution. Okay, there is causes, impact, and solution. So without further ado, I will give you 9 pictures, and each of the categories have to be 3 pictures. Okay? So please match the picture into those categories to one person, and another person please fill this answer on the worksheet. Okay? Just do it now. Okay? Slowly but sure, slowly but sure. Alright. Good. Yes. Okay. Yes. A little bit. Once more. Okay, good. Let me see. You may have a seat first. Let me see your answer. Yes. Okay, there is colors. You already matched. There are. You can see what is this picture? Is it smoke, right?
Yeah.
Smoke. Okay. The smoke is the main colors. And then what is the impact? You see what it is? The last one? Cough. The people who cough. That's okay. Just answer. Okay, and then there is a global warming, and then quality air is low. Okay. And the solution is
LG.
solution is
LG.
yeah, the solution is algae. All of these causes and impact, the problem solver here is algae who lives in the sea. Okay. Just want to strengthen your understanding. The very last evaluation, I will ask you to access Kahoot on your Google. You may take the phone. Alright, just go to the Kahoot. Just go to the Kahoot. And you will enter the pin, okay?
Okay,
You
Miss.
enter the pin. We will see. Okay. The pin is, let me see. Be ready to enter the pin. Be ready. 727-8042. 727-8042. You already joined? Are you in? Yes. The next step is just type your name. Okay, just type your name.
Okay, Miss.
Saskia already in the house. Just Amanda. Okay, both of you already in the house. Let's start. Okay, let's start. Okay. What causes forest fires to spread widely? Just answer quickly. Just answer quickly. Just that. Okay. Next. The second one. What is one effect of smoke haze? Just answer. Good. Next. We will see the red at the end of the gate. Next. Who produces most Earth oxygen? You know, this is very easy. I know you can answer this. Next. What happens if LG decrease? If LG decrease, blah 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 decrease. Okay, next. You are so fast. Oh my god, I'm so proud of you. How can we protect the sea? How can we protect the sea? We need to talk to the sea. Okay, next. We will see. Okay, there is not a person. The second one is Syiah. The second one is the one and only Saskia. Congratulations for both of you. Alright, we already in the end of the activities. We already in the reflection. So we already watched the video, the problems, the solution, the cause and impact. And I would like to ask you, very simple. What do you feel after learning this? Manda,
I feel excited.
you feel excited,
Yeah.
and what about you? Happy or bored?
I'm happy.
Yes, thank you. You are happy. And what actions can you take in your daily life to help reduce carbon emission?
Miss,
Yes,
reduce plastic use.
reduce plastic use. And you?
Transportation.
Yeah, reduce the just use the public transportation. Very good. Thank you. Alright, I think that's all what we can learn about today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.